Hello Lovies, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here for all my new subby Lovies. My name is Missy and I really hope that you enjoy this video. So all of the fun things that I'm doing, what I'm using on my face, all of that stuff is going to be displayed on the screen. I thought I would take this opportunity to just chit chat with you while you watch me get ready for my super hot date with the hubs. Yeah, I wish. More like we're just gonna be at home chilling. But you know, I gotta look beautiful when I chill, right? So I just thought I would take this time to just talk to you about some of the changes that, if you've been with me for a while, you may have noticed that I changed my name a little tiny bit to my channel. I just added the word large at the end because I really wanted to display that I'm doing more than just crafts now. I'm really trying to expand my channel. I'm sure everybody can relate that as they grow older, they change. Some of their likes change, some of the things that are going on in their life changes, and it changes like the way you're moving and grooving, like your direction in life. And whereas I absolutely love my crafts, and I don't think that'll ever change because it brings me so much peace, I'm just changing in the stuff that I really want to share with you guys. Whereas crafts and creating and all that is such a big part of my life, and it always will be, I feel like though I need to share more with people, things like more personal things, more on a personal level, because that's really what makes a difference in people's lives, and that's really what I want. I really want to be there for people. I really want to inspire people. I really want people to know that they can do whatever they want to do in life at any age, at any size, at any place in their life. They still really can enjoy life. And in my particular case, I'm going to enjoy my life and do what I love large. Now, yes, if you've been with me for a while, I know I say that all the time, you know that I'm trying to get to a place where I'm healthy, and dropping a few pounds would definitely help that out. And I struggle with that just as much as the next Joe. And I have weeks where I do really well, and then I have weeks where I do really bad. And I'm trying to get back to that place where I'm in a steady place where, for me, it's not about being thin or the world standard of beautiful, the way the world standard of the way they think women should look. For me, it's about just being healthy. I want to be around for my kids, and I want to enjoy life. And sometimes being on the plus size, it holds you back from doing some of the things that you really want to do, like explore or whatever it is that you might want to do and really enjoy yourself in the moment. So for me, I just really want to get to that place where I'm comfortable to be able to do some of the things that I really want to do in life. Now, I'm not talking about like jumping off a bridge, jumping out of a plane, or anything like that. But sometimes, you know, it'd be nice to take a really nice walk in the woods, more like a hike, and like go uphill and not feel like I'm dying. Like, yeah, that would be nice. So that's what I'm talking about, you know? But also, I don't want to view food as my enemy. And I also, like, when my husband and I do get the chance to go out, like, I really want to enjoy my dinner and not feel guilty about it walking away. So those are all the places in my life that I have to find balance. And I just woke up one morning and I'm like, I can't be the only human being alive on this planet that is going through that. And here to come find out, the more that I'm on the social media platform, there are so many of us. So many of us, and I want to have more of that kind of community come to my channel, if that makes sense, because I love talking with people like that, and where I feel like I can encourage them, they can encourage me, and we can just like vibe together, if that makes sense. And it makes life so much more enjoyable when you feel like you're not in a room all alone dealing with what you're dealing with and nobody else on the planet knows what you're going through. Can anybody relate to that? So whereas crafts are fun, and that's kind of where I built my channel from, is creating I do all kinds of different things. I mean, that part of me will never change because it brings me so much peace and joy. Like, listen, the girl's always going to go to the Dollar Tree and get her crap to make her cool little, door wreaths, and the girl's still going to shop and do hauls, and I'm going to be cooking. But I just wanted to add more of, look, I can put makeup on my face from the Five Below girls and look fly. Maybe I'm like dating myself by saying that. So what's the new word that everybody's using? Look, I don't know. I don't even know how the heck people talk today. But back in my day, it was we look fly. And I just want to put it out there that no matter your size or where you're at or what's going on in your life, you can have confidence. You can look beautiful. You can take the time to paint your nails, paint your face, get yourself a nice outfit, and it doesn't necessarily have to be from, I don't know what's really popular these days. I almost said Golden Eagle, but that's not it. I think it's American Eagle or something like that. You don't have to get your clothes from there. You can get your clothes from Romans or Women Within or some of my favorite places. Hell, I find some cute shirts. I almost said shit. That's what I almost said. But I'll say shirts from Walmart. And you know what? I'm going to take that home and I'm going to rock that. That's what I'm going to do. And I just want to encourage people that you don't have to have tons of money and buy all this stuff that social media, television, Instagram, whatever it may be. But listen, I love my Instagram, but I'm not going to let it dictate to me what I should be wearing. And if I can't afford that or can't find it, or we'll just put it simple, can't fit in it, I should feel bad about myself. No, I'm going to rock my shirt from Walmart. I'm going to rock my Five Below makeup, and I'm going to put me some cute earrings in and pull my hair up and tease it, and I'm going to look fly as shut the front door. I won't say that word. I'm trying to be a good girl. But this stuff brings out the beast in me, I swear, because it makes me so mad that people feel so insignificant, or it makes them feel insecure about who they are. And they're so beautiful on the inside and they have so much to offer, but they feel like they can't measure up, so they stay silent, and they really do want to share who they are with the world, or they say things like, I wish I had your confidence, or I wish I was bold as you. Well, I want to build a community of women and men who feed off of one another and encourage one another to be that bold, to be that person, to go for it at any stage, at any age, at any size, at any place in your life, because you're worth it. And it's taken me a long time myself to get to that place, because I was that person who would sit in the corner and not do anything because I felt so unworthy. I didn't feel like I was special enough. I didn't feel like I was important enough. And that is one of the reasons I did start my YouTube a couple years back, because I really wanted to pull myself out of my shell. And all of you Lovies really, really helped me with that. And now that I'm getting a little older and I've met so many people through this wonderful platform that God has blessed me with, it's like I really, really just want to expand, and that's where large came from. Plus, I live large life, so because I'm a large girl. So I just feel like large really fits, and that's really why I changed my name to Do What You Love, to Do What You Love Large, because I'm expanding on who I am as a person, and I really want to reach people. Listen, even in my crafting, I get comments all the time about, something I'll post and somebody will say, gosh, I wish I had that kind of talent, or I wish I could create something like that. And it's like, listen, you can. It may not look like mine, and I hope it doesn't look like mine, because your creativity is what makes it beautiful. Your spin, your take, your touch is what makes it absolutely unique and beautiful. And if we can all just get to a place where we realize how unique and special we are, I think the world would just be so much of a better place. But in order for that to happen, we have to tell each other, listen, you're beautiful right where you're at. Listen, you're gorgeous right where you're at. Listen, like, you can do this, and I believe in you, and we can do this together. And if there's some things that, you know, there's always something in your life that you feel like you can do better or make a little better. And if we can encourage, I can speak, I really can. If we can encourage one another to do that, I just feel like we can make a change, even if it's just a couple people, even if it's just a couple hundred. Like, listen, if I can make a difference in 10 people's life, and then by you watching me, you're inspired, and you go make a difference in 10 other people's lives, I mean, it could be amazing. It could be amazing. And I'm sure you guys understand what I'm saying, because I'm sure I'm not the only YouTuber you watch, and I'm sure you have your own little set of YouTubers that you watch for quote unquote inspiration. And that's all I want to do. That's all I want to share with you guys. So I don't want to keep rambling on and on. Just wanted to give a little explanation of why my name has changed, and you might see some different things go up. I really hope you enjoy them. Please give me comments. Please give me feedback, lovies. I really, really want to hear from you guys. You know, just let me know what you guys are thinking. And I want to show some different sides of myself. It's very hard to like show your personality when all you see is a person's hands and they're like doing some kind of crafting project. There's many facets to me, and I just really want to share that with somebody who might enjoy my personality, because I am definitely weird and I'm an oddball, and my personal philosophy is life is way too short to be that serious. So I just want to laugh and giggle and have fun, and if I can find a group of people that would enjoy that with me, I mean, that would just make my life that much sweeter. So there's some fun things coming. There is a special giveaway coming where I'm going to be giving away, I think, some Starbucks things, because I am all about coffee. And I have some really fun things planned that are coming for the summer and fall. And this also is a new platform for me that is going to stretch me. And I'm actually very excited about this. You're going to see at the end of this video where I actually modeled a little bit of the clothes that I chose to wear for my Valentine's look. That took me out of my comfort zone, whereas I hated the space that I did it in, which is in my bedroom, because that's the only place I could film because everybody was home, and I wasn't going outside because we were in the middle of a snowstorm. And my luck, I would have found a hole and fell in it. Wouldn't that have been funny? So I quote unquote modeled my outfit in our bedroom, and I hate the backdrop. Like, after I did it, I was like, dang, I need to clean my room. But long story short, the point I was trying to make is that stretched me. Showing people my full body, the outfit that I'm wearing, it stretched me. And I realized, yeah, I need to do more of this. I need to do more of this. So I really want to stretch myself, because if you're not stretching yourself, then you're not growing. And if you're not growing, then I don't know, for me, it's just like life gets very dull and stagnant, and I want to grow, and I want to try new things, and I want to post things, and I want to be an inspiration to people, because I'm inspired by so many. And if without those inspirations in my life, I don't even think I would be this far. So I hope that makes sense. And I think I've said this before in different ways, but I really, really mean it, and I'm really going to take the steps to really make this happen. So I don't know how far along we are in the video here, but I feel like I'm just rambling and blabbing. So I just want to wish you guys a happy Valentine's Day. I think we're in the part where I'm like modeling the lashes. I actually got lashes on my face, guys, and these are from the Dollar Tree, because I was like, I'm actually going to attempt to put lashes on, and I'm not buying these like $18 lashes because I'm probably going to screw this up. So I got the dollar lashes from the Dollar Tree, and like they went on so easy, and I'm like, why don't I wear these every day? So that might be a new change in my life as well. Lashes. But guys, in all honesty, in all seriously, I don't want to ramble on and on and on. I really am glad that you're here today and that you're watching me put my face on. You're going to see some pics. You're going to see me model my outfit. Try not to laugh too hard. I give you permission to snicker, maybe even get a little belly laugh going on if it'll brighten your day, but just don't laugh too hard. And I better not find my weird little faces and the thing I think I'm sexy about on like TikTok or something, okay? Let's just not do that. So I'm gonna leave you with that. Put the rest of the video to some fun music, and guys, stay tuned for more fun things. I have more get readies with me, buying clothes, trying them on, just some things that are going to stretch me. The thing that's really going to stretch me is to go to like Walmart or the mall or something and try clothes on and film it. That's really going to stretch me. So I really want to do it because I want to see if I can. But anyways, I'm still rambling. I love you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful Valentine's Day. Know that I love you. And if you don't have a Valentine, I will be your Valentine. We'll be Galentines. You're my Valentine. I love you. Have a wonderful day. You're worth it. You're special. You're beautiful. You're awesome. Always do what you love and do it large. Take care of you guys. And I'll be blabbing your ear off in another video very soon. Until then, guys, happy Valentine's Day.